This is the official documentation example about abstract class. And like in other class-based languages, TypeScript also support abstract class concept. Now we can see in this example, it's kindly aligned with the other languages as well. We have the abstract keyword to mark the class as abstract. And for any abstract method, we have to tag the method with abstract keyword. Now to show the difference between the abstract and other implemented class method, here we have the print name, which is not an abstract, so the subclass only need to implement get name. And here showcasing that we can't create an instance of base class, which is again aligned with the other languages. So let's create a class that extend this base class. So what we can do is we can extend the base class, and then TypeScript feedback us saying that we need to implement get name method. So what we can do is we can copy the signature and let's return a string from there, any string for now. And then what we can do is instead of using base, we can use concrete here to create an instance. So now it's perfectly fine. So we got the hierarchy of inheritance. So base will be superclass and concrete is the child class or subclass, and we can create an instance of our child class. Now one thing we can notice here, the inferred type is concrete. So if we want to use any concept like program to an interface, so we can switch something runtime or use any kind of kernel for patterns, what we can do is we can use this variable tagged by base or our super type, so you can create a number of subclasses, and those subclasses can be assigned to the base class if you're using any other patterns. Now for the completion, if you check the transcompile version of JavaScript code, you can see there is no abstract keyword here, but just the class inheritance in JS. So the abstract class concept is something we get from the TypeScript, and it's really helpful us because we can reuse our concept or the knowledge we gain by working with other class-based languages.